Hello everyone, I'm back again once again with a very quick and crisp tour to one of the most beautiful and iconic place in Dubai. It's none other than Twisted Bridge in Dubai. As we all know that Dubai is known for its beautiful architecture and urban development, this bridge is a must-see. Not just the bridge, the entire place is so beautiful and scenic that you won't resist sitting there for hours. So let's go and check it out. So you can either use the staircase or you can use the elevator as well. The way is convenient. The both day and night view of this place is beautiful. Especially the skyline that you can view from this point is just amazing. You can view almost all the beautiful buildings of Dubai, especially Burj Khalifa. So here we are. This place, you can see people are taking amazing photographs over here. And now let me show you the skyline from here. So you can see the Dubai Eye, you can see the Twin Towers, you can see another beautiful bridge, and you can see Burj Khalifa as well. It's simply mesmerizing. Beautiful architecture, beautiful viewpoint, amazing place. So it's a very quick and sweet tour to this place. You can enjoy this place free of cost, and you can take some amazing pictures of this beautiful place. I'm signing off. Take care. Bye.